In district level inter-school athletic meet organized by DSA Halwani, our students bagged 4 gold, 5 silver, 5 bronze medals. In district level football championship, we reached semi-final. In CBFC third cluster Kho-Kho championship, our girls team reached to quarter-final where 36 teams participated. Again in CBSE third cluster athletic championship where 1700 students participated, Jyoti Bhatt got 4th place in discus throw, Jyoti Pathak got 4th position in high jump. In 100-meter run, Kamal and Sanjay Adhikari were in 4th and 5th place respectively. In shot put, Upasana Suyal and Namrit Pal secured 5th and 4th position respectively. School also organizes motivational educational tours and excursion for the students and staff. 60 students and 8 staff members were sent for an educational tour to Parle Biscuit Factory and Sanjay Ban. 80 students with 15 members of staff visited Fun City Bareilly. In national level Taekwondo Championship, one of our students, Master Deepak Joshi, stood first and was awarded a winner trophy and a cash prize of ₹50,000. In debating competition in inter-school level organized by Department of Forest, Master Vidit Joshi adjudged at 3rd position. In inter-school painting competition organized by Life Insurance Corporation of India, Miss Ayushi Balutia and Master Vivek Chaudhary stood 2nd and 3rd respectively. No institution of this size and repute can effectively function without proper coordination between academic and administrative team. I put it on record that the excellent services rendered by our academic and the administrative staff to run the training programs smoothly are praiseworthy. I also like to mention the splendid work done by our unsung heroes, the general employees in this regard. I would also express my deep gratitude to the district administration for their valuable support extended whenever required. We have put in our best efforts to make your stay comfortable, but considering the paucity of space and the resources, I am sure that you will bear the inconvenience caused, if any. I would also like to put on record my special appreciation for the dedicated work done by our academic, administrative and general employees for making this annual day celebration a grand success. The contribution made by students is highly commendable for adding colors to the annual day celebration. I also congratulate the students for cheerfully shouldering the responsibilities assigned to them for the successful conduct of this function. I am also thankful to those persons who have directly or indirectly helped us in making this function a grand success. On behalf of the school management, members of the staff, students, and on my own behalf, once again express my profound gratitude to our chief guest, distinguished parents, all other parents here for the honor you have done to us by being with us in this joyful and colorful event. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now we would like to welcome Mr. S.K. Saxena,
and Mr. Ajay Thakkar,
Mr. T.C. Gururani,
Sanjay Dhingra,
Mr. and Mrs. Samit Juhu,
MC Dalagoti,
Mr. J.K. Chadha,
Mr. Manish Joshi,
and Amarjeet Chadha, who came just now. All study and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So now children of Inspiration Senior Secondary School are going to put up mesmerizing show, swinging away with rhythm of music. So hold your breath and wait and watch the spectacular show by our budding students. I hope you all have enjoyed this wonderful top dance. Can we have the lights? Thank you.
Pankaj Saxena,
Mrs. H.K. Chadha.
Sunil Joshi,
Now, if we talk about the education of the children, we say that they should be trained to love one another, to be kind and helpful to all, to be tender to the lower and to think right. The task of teaching them how to read and write and to count and calculate is important. But don't you think, Pavni, that in all this is losing the sight of the primary aim of molding personality in the right way? In fact, the education has become a great burden on the young students.
Yes Arslan, if you ask these little ones कि सबसे मस्त और रंगीन दिन कौन सा होता है तो सबका एक ही उत्तर होगा संडे, क्योंकि आज छुट्टी है। संडे हो या मंडे, छुट्टी है, तो मंडे को भी संडे की छुट्टी है। तो आइए देखें कि आज कितनी खुशी और मस्ती है इन बच्चों में।
Now here comes the tiny tots, as we all know that everyone gets happy when they get holiday, that is chutti from their daily routine. So we welcome these tiny tots.
कार्यक्रम की ओर।
We would like to welcome Mr. Dinesh Kunjwal, Mr. Khajan Pandey, Mr. M.S. Bisht and Mr. Bhola Bhatin ji. The diversity of India is tremendous. It is obvious. It lies on the surface and anybody can see it. They differ in face and figure,